Hey good people, so I wanted to show you an easy way that I like to clean my stove cover guards. This is a magic eraser. I like to get it wet and then just go to town. It's the easiest way that I've found, honestly, to like get it back to how it should be without the whole soaking process, like rubbing it in the dishwasher. I don't like using ammonia and stuff like that because I want to be as natural as possible for myself and Hudson, breathing in harsh chemicals. But yeah, so I just kind of work it around in a circle going through. This one was kind of a little difficult because I'll let you in on a little secret. Somehow, I don't know how, I ended up burning the bottom of my air fryer on the stove. So that's what that blue is. It's like little air fryer pieces of the bottom. But anywho, this still got the job done. So I kind of just, like I said, go back and forth, get it wet. Magic erasers, Mr. Clean magic erasers have been around forever. They have like so many different ones. I like to get a big pack from Sam's or whatever. It also gets marks off the walls, but let me know if you try it on your covers. See how shiny and new that look?